Welcome, MW-TRADINGWORLD. Gain trading crypto. Welcome, Weex. Welcome. We're gonna do a vid today. Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin ready to dump? Yes or no? I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Talk about some altcoins, about the markets, what's going on. I'm also getting a lot of DMs. MW, please do some charting about gold, about DXY, about I would love to do that, guys, but most of the viewers are in here for crypto. They're not in here for commodities, for markets. We do the markets because the markets are related to crypto. Commodities, gold, etc. Those are not so much related to crypto. So that's why I don't talk, or forex, or etc. So if there is really a big group of people that really want me to do that, whatever they want me to talk about commodities, charting commodities, etc., because I do trade those also a lot. And well, let's say I'm doing pretty good at it. So, but we're over here for crypto. Most of you guys are over here for crypto. So I have to keep crypto. It's all about crypto. So for now, it's all about crypto. So sorry, I cannot keep talking about too much about those markets. So yeah, well, first of all, thumbs up. Push the like if you like the vid, if you like the content. It's gonna be a big one today. It's gonna be a really big one today, guys. So yeah, let the music run and we'll start in a moment. Share the post, please. Share the post on Twitter also, so a lot of retailers can join us in. Maybe they're gonna make money with us today. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, check. Music is off. You guys can hear me. Check. What do I got? What do I got over here? What do I got? I got Matic, Draft, Brick. Good morning, bro. Carlo, good morning. Gracias, Matic, Paul, Peter, Mario, Alpimar. Listening in on the company time today. Oh, watching the live stream and getting paid at the same time. You're doing a good job, Alpimar. Mario Peters, Unforgiven, Melvin, Top Dog, Diana, Walid, good morning. I hope you're safe, Walid. I really hope you're safe, bro. So I really hope you're safe. So Let's see. What do I got? What do I got? I've got Muhammad Ali, we got Biggie, we've got T-Blue, we've got Trevorine, Anna, Sam, Jack, Riff, Bob, Flake, Silva, Faizi, Trevorine, Kirk, John Doe, Goedemorgen JP. We've got Silva, Sam, Jack, Turn On, Facox, GP, FM, GP. What do we got? Okay, I think that I got you guys all. I think you got you guys all. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do? So we're gonna talk about the market. So first of all, guys, welcome all. Let's see what are we watching here? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing this, guys? What is this? This is just oh my God, this is really, I don't even know what to say about this anymore. This monster is just, these bulls at Wall Street, it's really mind-blowing. And what the most important part about this, I think it will go higher. I tweeted something just now that Warren Buffett and that guy from, what is his name again? That Blur guy or whatever, they're selling a lot of stocks. Well, I agree with them, but it doesn't mean that when they are selling stocks that these monsters are just keep rocketing up over here. There is just no ending over here. Look at this candle, up, boom, down. They just make new highs over and over again. They don't even want to retrace it. It's let me just say this. Bitcoin should be at 150K by now. Should be. Because why? Because those so-called super whales that were so bullish on Bitcoin, those are the ones that are pumping these markets. Just that you guys know, those are the ones pumping these markets. You've got also the Asians. Look what they're doing. They're pumping gold. And then if you watch Bitcoin, look where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is just struggling over here. It's pathetic. This was the previous all-time high. We're just struggling over here. There's nothing going on over here. It's really pathetic. And I don't even, at some point, this is something to be very, very careful about, because this thing is just ramping up. But you have to keep in mind that, I'm not saying that we're going to crash down, because it's possible, but for now, nothing is showing me that we're going to crash down. Nothing. The only thing that I see is that as you guys can see, let me show you guys. You see this one over here, a dumpy down, boom, up. And then you get this one, a dumpy down, boom, up again, over here, up again, over here, up again, over here, up again, over here, up again. They just keep ramping it up. I don't know where they find the money. I don't know what's going on, but it's just up. Okay, well, now we've got October. So September should be, let me put it on the monthly, guys. I seen this. This was September. September is the most bearish month for markets and stocks. Look at that candle. Is this candle showing you something bearish? I'm not seeing it. And we could agree on the fact that we're going into elections. So the elections, yes, I agree. They will do everything they can to keep these markets up. Because why? If the market would crash down, the current administration could lose some votes or whatever. So they just, keep it up. So they go to Powell, they go to his ear, pull his ear, listen, whatever you do, we don't care what you do, make sure that these candles stay green. It's just how it is. It's just Powell. They come here. They pull him on his ear and tell him, come here. Make sure that this candle will stay going. But how much more can we take over here? Because at some point, this thing will blow down. This thing will blow, because you have to keep an eye on this box. This one. This box over here. This will happen. This box, it will come. This box will come. Will it come over here? Will it be over here? Will it be over here? But this box, the same box as you guys are seeing over here, it will come. So when that box comes, I can guarantee you that your bags will get totally wrecked. Your bags will get totally wrecked. Or some miracle is going to happen from Asia that they're going to save us, crypto. But if they're not going to save us, and for now, I'm not seeing that, because China has been pumping like crazy over here, and nothing is changing. We need to open up their crypto markets. But for now, it's always the same story. So I'm just saying. But you know, this is something for the long term. Maybe it's gonna take another month or 2 months. But you know, in the meantime, we're gonna make money. So it doesn't matter. If you guys want to go up, we go up with you. If you guys want to go down, we will also go down with you. So it doesn't matter. But I'm just eyeing you. And let me show you guys this one. This one is holding the line over here. You see? This line has been holding. I've been trading this for a lot of over here and over here and over here. So for the Forex guys and the gold guys, etc., this box here, you see this 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months we've been holding the line over here. If this thing crashes down, that's when you can say, okay, well, the markets are going to blow up. We're going to get that blow off top. That's the blow off top, in my opinion. But for now, these guys are just doing what they do. They're just holding over here. But, you know, even this, look at this. This green candle, only this green candle, should have taken this candle at least a little bit down. At least a little bit down. They just don't care. They just don't care. DXY ramping up, no problem. We just keep pumping. So they're pumping. Well, I'm eyeing it as a hawk. So you guys will probably, when I see the turnaround down, I'll probably tell you guys all of it. So let me go to Bitcoin. Let me take this one. Let me take this chart. Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Well, we had this scammy dump down. Now we're heading into this one. So I got a question yesterday from a retail firm member. He told me, MW, listen, when should I be long? When should I be short? I told him, didn't you watch my stream yesterday? You should have watched my stream. He told me, yeah, I did watch it. Well, but what did I miss? Well, yesterday, exactly over here, I told you that Bitcoin might drop to the 63 to the 62K levels. And what did happen? We had dropped to 62.8. And that was the support zone. So over here was when you're going to hit those buy zones. And I'm going to talk about those altcoins in a moment. And I'll show you exactly, also like I showed you yesterday, if you want to buy this, buy it over here. If you want to buy that, buy it over there, etc., etc., etc. So I already explained to you guys yesterday exactly where you could open up those longs. I said it yesterday. So I don't get it. If you watch my live stream, at least... Okay, so for now, just to be clear, guys, let me show you guys on the daily. First of all, on the daily, we're ramping up. It's pushing up, you know. And what do I teach you guys? As long as we're above the daily, the bullish sentiment rules. The bullish sentiment. So you always, this is something very, very, very important for you guys to know. Especially for the leverage traders. When the price action is above the daily indie, you always remain bullish. So what does that mean? That means that you always chase the longs. So you chase more longs than shorts. You gotta chase the longs. Look for support levels and long the crap out of them. Put your stop loss in below the indie, just like I teach you guys, and just long and make money. Make money over and over and over and over again. So you have to focus really on the longs over here. It's all about the longs. So when we close below this thing and below the 200 EMA, that's when we will flip short. And yes, also for the ones that are at the gain trading group, the GTC group, the team traders group, the paid group, you'll see over there the team sharing some short trade setups. But these guys know what they're doing. Even if Bitcoin would go up, they know what they're shorting and why they're shorting it. So you got to make a lot of money shorting while Bitcoin and other markets are go up, because these guys, they know, they're educated how to these guys are educated how to chase trades. So it's really, I've also got some DMs yesterday from some retailers. Oh my God, we want to join this team. We're going to join. Listen, this team is really only for people that have funds to trade. If you don't own enough funds, just don't join them. And you have to also be educated. If you're not educated in leverage trading, don't join them. You're just going to burn yourself, because you'll probably not understand what they're sharing over there. So for the ones that do understand and are educated by me, they could join them. But by the way, yesterday was your last chance. So today they're going to hire up their fees. So I don't think that you're going to join them now. I think that it will be too expensive for most to join them from now. They're going to hire up their fees. I don't know. I didn't check if they shared it already or not, but they're going to hire up their fees very hard, because they're not interested in getting a lot of retailers in. They just want really the strong. And yeah, well, maybe it sounds a bit strange, but they only want the people that own funds. They want the people that own funds, that have money to trade. They want to risk it, and they want to make big money. So that's why they're going to hire up their fees again. So enough about that. For now, yeah, we'll just over here. So for now, our next level to watch now is this one, guys. The 4-hour Indy is 65K. So is this going to be a bearish retest and then come down again? Or are we going to break up to hit this 68K level? Because we should hit it. We should hit it, especially with the markets holding so strong. We should hit it. I don't know what's going on with this freaking Bitcoin. Just show some power, bro. What's going on? Just ramp up. It's really mind-blowing why this thing is so... I just don't get it. Why is Bitcoin not pumping? I just don't get it. Bitcoin is super weak, by the way, guys. The Bitcoin is really, especially we're above the Indy, everything is good, everything is, the dollar will probably get rejected. We just need to break up onto the 68K level. It's that simple. Just break this Indy and just go up to this level over here. It will also give us this entry, give us this one. So we'll reach this one again, because, you know, this is red, but this could, just like we saw on the US 500 on that so-called dump yesterday, but it wasn't a dump because it ended up. So this could get green and get into these levels, 67 to 68K. This box, this is where you have to be cautious over here. This is where you have to be very cautious. But until we reach this level, you can make a lot of money. So that's it. Let me show you guys something else. I wanted to show you guys something else. ETH, guys, ETH, there is something, listen. I showed you guys over here ETH. I even told you, and I've got like 100 people that were with me when I said it. If you have some Bitcoin, flip it to ETH over here, or flip it to Solana, or flip it to whatever, because you're probably gonna make a lot of money. So the ones that listen to me, because this is only for the people that don't hold fiat. They don't hold, so they only have crypto, and what they do is they trade crypto against crypto. But so the ones that have been watching and have been flipping their Bitcoin into just Ethereum, and I think that like Solana, a lot of other coins did even better than Ethereum, because Ethereum, there's something really crazy going on with Ethereum. Ethereum Foundation is selling a lot of Ethereum lately. I don't know why. Maybe they watch my streams. I really have no clue. But they're selling a lot of Ethereum. So for the ones that, because this over here was a 10%. This was a 10%. So you made a 10% on, just, you have to imagine that a lot of crypto traders, they've got portfolios of 200K, 300K, 500K, $1 million. 10% is a lot of money. Is a lot of money, and that's only on ETH. I'm not even talking about all the other coins. So over here, they could have made 10%. 10% is a lot, guys, in just, what is it? In in what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, in 5, 6 days, 10%. Easy peasy, nice money. So, so this is, by the way, also the reason why you see several altcoins ramping up and several altcoins showing strength, and they bounced off very strong. Some made it 20, 30%. So this is the reason. So for now, let's just see how it is, because we're now testing the daily indicator. Is this thing coming down? And you know, if this thing wants to be really solid and we want to get our alt season that we're talking about, this thing should come down, make a double over here, and then ramp up. We should see something like this. This is what I'm preparing for, something like this, and then come down, retest this zone, and then break out. Go for this level. This would be the most healthy case. So this is something that I'm eyeing. If it just breaks up, that will change everything. Let me go to dominance. Dominance, as you guys can see on the daily, we close below it. So this means alt season is in. It's very simple. If you see this, below the indicator, alt season, altcoins will probably outperform Bitcoin. Very simple. This is alt season. Above it is Bitcoin season. Below it is altcoin season. It's very simple. That's how you read it. By the way, if you don't have this indicator, I'm going to repeat myself again. If you don't have this indicator, we've got a promotion going on in our new partnership with BITUNIX. BITUNIX, by the way, guys, I said it today on Twitter. Just test it. What do you got to lose? It's a non-KYC exchange. You don't even have to KYC. Just your email. Just put it on. Put whatever, 10 bucks, 50 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks. I don't care. Put something on it. Go test their platform. It's really mind-blowing. You know, it reminds me on Binance in my previous days. It reminds me on Binance. They've got a superb exchange going on there. There was also someone asked me, yeah, well, you know, the problem is I tried to contact the customer service and they didn't react, and I had to wait a long time. Listen very good what I'm saying. Every exchange that I partner up with, my first negotiation is, if you want me to partner up with you, I need my own help desk, my own customer service. So any retailer that use my referral, it doesn't matter on Weex, or it is on Blofin, or it is on BITUNIX. We are the retail fam. We stand up for each other. So any retailer that gets, you know, some error or some, I don't know, some technical problem on his account or whatever it is, and he's struggling with it, you just DM me on Twitter, DM me on Telegram, and I will forward you to our personal retail fam help desk, and they are over there 24/7. They will help you immediately if they can help you. By the way, if they can help you, but they will stand by. This is a real person, no bots you're speaking to, no crappy whatever it is. So when you join the retail fam and you trade on BITUNIX, you will have your own help desk. Just DM me. If you got any problem, DM me, I forward it, and you'll get a real person that will really help you. So we got that out of the way. So if you want this indicator, BITUNIX, we got a promotion going on. You don't need any trading volume, whatever. Just open up an account, 500 bucks, make like 2-3 trades, whatever. DM me your UID. The team will check, I think, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and they will start sending you the code for the indicator. For the ones that want to join the free private, because someone asked me, he told me, well, I'm on BITUNIX, but you know, how do I get into your free private? It's the same like Blofin and Weex. If you trade on volume, you like, you know, BITUNIX is. They told me yesterday, I didn't even know it. It's a top 10 exchange. Their liquidity, they've got very high liquidity. It's a top 10 exchange. So it's a non-KYC top 10. You see these non-KYC exchanges, most of the times you don't see them in top 10, in the top 10 lists, only the KYC ones. Well, BITUNIX went into the top 10 exchanges of the world. So just say, so for now, if you want this, you can get it. So, okay, so dominance dropping over here, but this is the support line, guys. You see this? This is the support line over here. So if we're gonna bounce up over here, Bitcoin might take over the power again. And so keep in mind, if you're holding any altcoins, make sure if you're holding crypto to flip back to Bitcoin at the right time. Keep that in mind, because this is the support just here. If we drop down, well, then it's totally doki and we're going up. So I want to show you guys this one also. Because this one, we broke above the 200 EMA on the daily. We're now gonna retest it. This is a bearish sign. Let me show you the packs. Same story, getting rejected on the daily from the Indie, coming back to retest the 200 EMA. So this is, well, you're probably gonna see some short setups if that happens. So let me show you guys something else. The shorts, how the shorts are doing. Shorts are just building and holding over here. So shorts are thinking that we might get a big dump, because when the big dump comes, then this thing goes down because they're gonna take profits because they're building their shorts up over here. How are the longs doing? Well, longs are just going sideways, building up, sideways, sideways, nothing special. Okay, it's time for some altcoins, guys. Time for altcoins, 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 Atom. Atom, yesterday, what did I tell you? Listen, over here, we came down together with Bitcoin. We didn't even reach the 200 EMA. So our support zone was over here, this box. It didn't want to get over here. And look at this bounce. This bounce is really, listen guys, keep an eye on Atom. I keep saying keep an eye on Atom. Because this bounce was a bounce of 4.5%. That's a lot. Let me see against Bitcoin. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Listen, you know, there's so much upside possible for Atom against Bitcoin. Guys, you know, I'm telling you, don't focus too much on a lot of crap. Focus on Atom. Focus on Atom. Atom, we have this breakout, just like shared. Over here, boom, up, and we came back to retest this box that I shared with you guys. We didn't reach it exactly, but if you DCA it in, listen, are you seeing this? So this is really beautiful TA. This is so much power. Over here, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Over here, we hit this line, went up, come down, and over here, this is when we're going to visit this 5.4. And maybe even break it up to the 6.5. So keep this in mind, guys. This Atom is gaining momentum. Against ETH, listen, same story. We bottomed out and up on the Indie, exactly at the indicator, hold support, and it wants to go up again. So keep an eye on this one. Let me go on Acces. Same story. It's same story. Guys, it isn't so hard. You get these pumps up, you get these dumps, retest the support, and then boom, up again. Neutron. Let me remove all this crap. Neutron, same story. Listen, these things that are not reaching the support zones, it means that the most power is in these coins. STG, look at it. I shared it yesterday. Dump down. Exactly, listen, on the nose of that, you see this nose? You see this nose over here? You see it? Can you see it? This nose over here, exactly on the nose, and boom, up. What more can I say? What is this Chihuahua doing? Ha. Chihuahua is just doing like I've been telling you what it's doing. It's just ramping up. If Atom will find momentum, this thing could pump up out of nothing. This thing can make a pump up of 50% out of nothing. No financial advice. I'm just saying, this thing could make a 50% pump up out of nothing. Look how strong. Since I talked about it, it was over here, guys. I don't know how many people have talked about Chihuahua. I haven't seen anyone talking about Chihuahua. I think I'm about the only one. Listen, 50 cents. Boom, you doubled your money in a matter of 3-4 days. Chihuahua. What is this Astro doing? Astro is just Loom. Listen, look at Loom. Loom. Beautiful, beautiful. Up. Came down on the Indie on the nose, and well, maybe it wants to make that next move up. So let me see, what is Anchor doing? Anchor, exactly the same story again. Rejected on the 200 EMA, back to the indicator, and rops up. We're going again. It's that simple. If you're not making money on this, I really don't know anymore. Let me see. All right. Aura is just too strong, guys. But I told you guys over here, this coin, you know, you cannot get me very bullish on something. There has to be a lot going on if you want to get me bullish on whatever. Listen, look at this. Look at this. This thing doesn't even want to come down. That's strong. Secret. Listen, look at this. This indicator, this indicator is really mind-blowing. Listen over here. Boom, indicator. This is your cushion, your pillow. Sorry, in Dutch it's kussen. We say kussen in Dutch, but it's your pillow. Boom, okay, boom. Oh, we're up again. It's Rose. What is Rose? Rose is fighting over. Rose is also super bullish, by the way, guys. But it's fighting the 200 DMA over here. So let me see. What is this SNS doing? I told you about this SNS. I told you this SNS. Also, it didn't want to come back. Super strong. SNS. Keep an eye on SNS. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you guys for today. It's you know, I think that we don't have to be watching. Let me show you guys. There were some other coins I was eyeing today on pretty nice volume. Was it over here? No, it was not over here. Where was it? It was. Do I got that list? Do I got that list? Do I got that list? Oh, this Popcat crap. Popcat. Popcat is just. You know, it's just going to a cash machine and you don't have to put in your card or your account. You just go to the cash machine, just put in the code Popcat. Just put enter and it will give you a lot of money and the money keeps coming out. That's how I see Popcat. Popcat, by the way, guys, the ones that are interested in Popcat. Popcat is just a cash machine, guys. It's just free money over and over again. Popcat, if my alarm goes off over here, well, Popcat, thank you, then you're gonna make a lot of money again. Probably. But you know, we nailed like 10 after 10 times past day. So if maybe you're gonna go into a short over here and then it ramps up, then you'll be that loser. But you know, Popcat is just a cash machine. It's just what it is. It's just a cash machine. I'm over here to show you guys how to make money. This is how you make money. It's just a cash machine. But you know, I don't understand because I made a list of some coins that were pretty bullish. I'm not seeing them. I made a list for you guys, but you know, my list, it just disappeared out of nothing. So I'm gonna do your coins and then we're gonna close it up. We're gonna do your coins, then we're gonna do, yeah, Popcat is just a cash machine, Traveling. Toodledokie, yes, Toodledokie. Only the Dutch people that understand that Toodledokie thing is very easy. Let's see, mobile app. Is there a mobile app? I could not find it on the App Store. Yeah, I heard something about this, but there should be. Maybe you should, I don't know what's going on, maybe, or you should just put on your VPN for one moment, and there you get the app. Because BITUNIX is regulated, or not regulated, it's available, accessible in the whole world, only in the China mainland not. They only have got some things with the app, but when you put on your VPN, you just download that app, and then you got it, and you can just trade from wherever you live. BITUNIX is very good. I know, bro. They've been testing it now for like days. But you know, let me see. What do we got? Do we got some Naka? Everyone is Naka. Okay, I've seen this Naka for a lot of times now. It's time that we do Naka. This gaming narrative, is this gaming narrative finally gonna explode? Is it time for the gaming narrative to explode? Is it time, yes or no? Naka, one of the most shilled coins. Naka. Oh. Let me first of all tell you that I'm not interested in Naka at these zones over here. So that's something, the first thing I want to tell you TA-wise, I'm not interested in Naka based on TA. And I think that there are so many other charts that you and coins to buy instead of this, and well, the volume is decent. Tokenomics, there are still some sellers out there, so maybe we're gonna see something like this, bro. If the right shilling machine will, maybe you see something like this, that you'll get an exit over here down, or over here down. But you know, I'm not interested in Naka, to be honest. Naka is not my thing. Zach, John Doe Zach. Why Zach? Why Zach? Why Zach? What's going on with this Zach? Why Zach? Zach on Binance. Let me see Zach. What's going on with Zach? Oh my God. Zach, there was a lot of FUD going on this Zach coin. Zach. What's going on with Zach, bro? Zach, privacy, well, looking good. Everything is looking good. So, am I interested in Zach? To be honest, no, I'm not. But it's looking solid. I'm not seeing chart looking good, looking wrecked. A volume, like 5% volume, but the chart looks super bullish. So if you do some research on your Zach, do Zach. Beam, yes, this Beam is also on the shilling list. I don't know the Beam. Is it BeamX or Beam or just Beam? Because you've got BeamX, you've got Beam. So let me check this Beam thing that you're talking about. I hope that you Beam. Beam. Oh my God, this thing is so wrecked. Beam. Why Beam? I hope. Do you mean Beam or BeamX? Because there is a difference between Beam and BeamX, bro. Those are two different coins. There's a very big difference. Because this is BeamX. BeamX is showing a lot of power. I know, because they're shilling this thing like crazy, guys. This BeamX things. For the ones that have been with me for a long time, we shorted the crap out of Beam over here, BeamX. So I don't know if it's Beam or BeamX. I think that you mean Beam. TLM. Okay, I'm not gonna chart TLM. Come on, guys. Come on. Are you guys really going into TLM? Come on, guys. Banana. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna do one more. That one will not be what, guys. You're really focusing on a lot of very scary coins out there. These are very scary coins. So I'm gonna do Velo, and then we're gonna close it up, guys. But guys, these coins that I'm seeing, you know, these coins could pump. I'm not saying that they can't pump. They could pump, but they will dump very hard after. So it's very dangerous. Velo, not interested. Very simple. I'm not interested in Velo. Not interested in this coin. No. Maybe interested in shorting the crap out of it. Yes. Definitely not interested in Velo long or whatever. Guys, I love you all. I love you all. Thanks for joining in. It will be a choppy market today. I know for sure. I'll be eyeing it. Follow me on Twitter. I'll be posting over there. If I'm bullish or bearish, I'm going to post it over there, because we need to see some directions, and keep an eye on what I explained to you guys at the beginning of the stream. So for now, if you are trading the bounce up, make sure to take the damn profits, because we could turn around very fast and very hard. So if you're trading the bounces up, use the damn Indy. If you see an invalidation on the 5 or the 15 minute, and especially on the US 500, helmet time. Just be very careful. It's gonna be a choppy market, so don't get wrecked. And remember what I teach you guys. Always take the damn profits and secure them. Green never turns into red. So in leverage trading, it's not about the long term. It's about taking partial profits up and down, up and down, up and down. You can hold a position. It doesn't matter. You can hold it for maybe a month, 2 months. I don't care. But what you need to do is you need to take partial profits on. Like this, you take like 50% off, it comes down, you add to it, it goes up, you take like 60%, it comes down, you add to it, and that's how you grow your portfolio as a professional trader. And not just going in over here, and then it goes like this, yeah, well, and then boom down, and then, I should have taken profits. That's not what we do. That's not our style. Will never happen. Never, ever happen again. You have to keep in mind that every green P&L that I show on Twitter, you have to know that it will be closed in green. It will never, ever turn into red. That's the first lesson I give in leverage trading. You never, ever let a winning trade become a losing trade. Okay, I love you all. If you want to join us, the links are below. BITUNIX, Blofin, Weex, free private, DM me your UID, indicator. BITUNIX is at this moment for the coming 2 weeks, your fastest way in to get the indicator. Join our community, repost, like. I love you all. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.